Hi friends, have you ever gone to the dentist? Daniel Tiger is going to the dentist. And do you brush your teeth? What color is your toothbrush? It was a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Daniel was going to visit the new dentist, Dr. Platt. A dentist is a doctor for your teeth, Mom Tiger explained. Today we're going for a checkup so Dr. Platt can make sure your teeth are all clean. I love going to the dentist and having my teeth clean. Like this? Asked Daniel, and he pretended to brush Tiggy's teeth. Just like that, replied Mother Tiger. Now before we go, let's brush your teeth. Daniel liked brushing his teeth in the morning and at bedtime too. It makes his teeth feel smooth and clean. Mom Tiger put toothpaste on Daniel's toothbrush. First you brush the top teeth. Brush the top teeth. Don't stop. Then you brush the bottom teeth. Brush the bottom. Make sure you've got them all. Brush every morning and night. Brush off the germs and make them all right. Now it was time to go to the dentist, but Daniel was feeling one stripe nervous. When you do something new, let's talk about what we'll do, Mom Tiger said. She explained that the dentist, Dr. Platt, would look inside Daniel's mouth and make sure his teeth were healthy. During the checkup, Daniel would need to sit still, open his mouth wide, as if he was doing a quiet roar. Daniel whispered, "Roar." When Daniel and Mom arrived at the dentist's office, they waited in the waiting room. It had many toys like Mr. Dino and a pretend dentist kit. Daniel pretended to brush Mr. Dino's teeth. I wonder what it would be like to be a dentist, Daniel said. He imagined that the dentist has many different animals. Daniel tried the alligator. I'm going to brush those teeth until they're bright and clean. Brush, brush, brush until they're shiny and white. Show me your quiet roar. Open wide, brush up and down, and brush side to side. Brush morning, night. You know what I mean. Brushing helps your teeth stay healthy and clean. The monkeys and the giraffes and the hippopotamus too. Imagining made the wait go quicker. Soon Dr. Pratt let Daniel and his mom into the office. It had a big lamp and a comfy chair that leaned back. Dr. Platt clipped on the bib over Daniel's sweater. A bib? Said Daniel, confused. My baby sister Margaret wears a bib. Dr. Platt explained that everyone wears a bib at the dentist, even grown-ups. The bib would help keep Daniel's sweater clean and dry during his checkup. Then Dr. Platt put gloves on her hands and a mask on her face. Dr. Platt looked a little different, but it was still her. Now it was time for Dr. Platt to look at Daniel's teeth. But when Daniel saw the dentist tools, he felt a little nervous. When we do something new, let's talk about what we do, Dr. Platt said. She showed Daniel the little mirror, which is right here, that she uses inside his mouth. She also had a special tooth polisher that takes off all the bad germs, even the ones that are really hard to reach. Bzzz, the toothbrush polisher made a loud sound. Will it hurt? Daniel asked, worried. Dr. Platt let him feel the polisher on his paw. Zzz, it doesn't hurt. It tickles, said Daniel. Then Dr. Platt asked Daniel which toothpaste flavor he would like, vanilla or berry striped mint. Perfect, Daniel said. I choose berry striped mint. That must be a yummy flavor. Daniel opened his mouth and did a quiet roar. Zzz, the polisher swirled around Daniel's mouth. He tried to talk, but he couldn't get his words out. What did you say? Dr. Platt asked. I know it's hard to talk while I'm brushing your teeth. I said it feels different, said Daniel. After she finished cleaning, Dr. Platt sprayed some water into Daniel's mouth. Then she slurped all the water away, this little tube. At the end of the checkup, Daniel felt his teeth with his tongue. Wow, they feel so nice and smooth, he said. Great job today, Daniel, Dr. Platt said. You stayed still and kept your mouth wide open. Make sure to keep brushing. Dr. Platt gave Daniel a special dental sticker and a new toothbrush too. Thank you, said Daniel. I like going to the dentist today, said Daniel. When you do something new, it can help to talk about what you'll do. Good job, friends. Bye.